So, what are the logarithm laws?
Log base A of A equals 1. Log base A of X plus log base A of Y equals log base A of XY. Log base A of X minus log base A of Y equals log base A of X over Y. Log base A of X to the power of N equals N log base A of X.
Very good, very good. That's going to sound really good. I'll crop this part out. It's going to sound really good, just that unison as part of that. All right. What is the sum of logs?
Log base A of X plus log base A of Y equals log base A of X.
Nice. What is the log law for log of a power?
Log base A of X to the power of N equals N log base A of X.
All right, good. Okay, so not on your sheet, but just discuss, okay? Discuss with people next to you. What is the sum of log laws? See if you can just remember it. So hopefully you don't have your sheets in front of you, just check. All right? So just have a quick chat. Don't write them down yet because I'll get you to do it in a second. So wipe your boards. Let's see if we can... so remember, what we do with this step is I actually put up one of them. You're going to write it down. So, Alec, turn it over. Turn it over. Your sheet. All right. Don't look at anyone else's. Let's see. So, and then what you do is once you've written it, you turn it over and then you'll chin it. So you then put it up to your chin to show me that you've actually got it correct. So, first one. On your whiteboard, write the sum of logs law. Turn it over. Hold it down. All right, let's chin it. Correct. 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 And all correct. Very good. Wipe it. Okay, let's do the next one. Write the difference of logs law.
Is that how you actually write it?
So let's write the difference of logs law. So turn it over. Okay, don't chin it yet. Okay, so I think everyone's ready. Let's chin it. Good. Good. All right, final one. Very good. All right, so wipe it. Let's write the log of a power law, please. So let's go. Log of a power law. Once you've written it, turn it back over. Hold on. All right, let's chin it. Correct. Good. Good. Yeah, you did numbers. That's fine. Good. Good. And good. All right. Okay. So onto your sheets, and I do. So I'm going to do these ones. So put your pens down. Wipe your board, because when you do it, you can then have a go on your board or on your sheet if you wish to. So pens down, please. All right, so the steps are change the logarithm using the log rule if required, because there's sometimes you don't need to, okay? All right, so, and then once you've done that, you then solve it. So the first one, so we've got log base A to the 4 plus log base A to the 2. So we know that with the sum of a log, we multiply as long as the bases are the same. So notice that I've got base 8, so the basis must be the same to apply these rules. So the sum says that when I add them, I then multiply, and so I get log base 8, or 4 2s are 8. And our first rule said that if it's log of a base to the same, it's equal to 1. Okay, so that's the first one. So don't, I'll leave it up here. Don't take this down. Second one. All right. Once again, we have same base of base 3. So since they've got the base, a difference of logs. So difference of logs is I divide. So this becomes log base 3 to the 36 over 4. So it becomes log base 3 to the 9. All right. Now, with the base 3, with the 9, I can change that to a power. So if any time you can change it to a power, that's what we do. So this will become log base 3. 9 is 3 squared. And now I introduce the power log rule. So when I have a power, what do I do with it? Bring it down the front. So I get 2 times log base 3, 3. And log base 3, 3 is? 1. So I get 2 times 1, which is? 2.
Why are we doing this?
In a second. All right, third one. All right, so I have log base 4 of 8 plus log base 4 of 6 minus log base 4 of 3. All right, so when I add the log of addition, so the adding of logs, I times, the minusing of logs, I divide. So since they've all got the one base, I can go straight into multiply, so 8 times 6 over, because a minus, divide by 3. So add, I times, minus, I divide. So I'm going to get log base 4, 8 6s are 48, divided by 3 is 16. Change 16 into 4 squared, and then I end up with 2 log base 4 of 4, which is 2 times 1, which is 2. All right. Final one, the fourth one. We have log base A of the square root of 3. And in this case, it wants it in terms of log base A3. So I change the square root of 3 to a power. Square root of 3 is 3 to the power of? Half. So this becomes log base A, 3 to the power of a half. I can bring the half down the front, so this is a half log base A of 3. So it's in terms of log base A of 3, which is what the question asked. All right. Very good. You do.